When it comes to AI-driven copywriting tools, Jasper and Conversion.ai are two names that pop up often. But the real question is, which one offers more specialized copywriting features? Stick around as I break down both tools and reveal which one stands out for targeted, specialized writing. You'll want to stay until the end to hear about a better alternative I discovered after testing both of them myself. Let's start with Jasper. Jasper has built a solid reputation for its versatility and range of templates. Whether you're crafting blog posts, product descriptions, or even email subject lines, Jasper has you covered. The software gives you a variety of options when it comes to the tone and style of writing, allowing you to adjust your copy for different audiences. Next thing to consider, Jasper's long-form content capabilities. With its AI-powered content editor, Jasper helps you produce full-length articles without much effort. It can even expand on short paragraphs, providing detailed content when you're stuck with writer's block. But there's a catch: its quality isn't always consistent. While some users rave about its output, others find themselves having to do a fair amount of editing afterward. Then we have Conversion.ai, which also focuses on versatility, but is more targeted towards short-form content. This tool is ideal for ad copy, social media posts, and emails. The AI engine is trained to generate high-converting content, making it a great tool for marketers looking to boost their sales or engagement. Moving forward, one thing that sets Conversion.ai apart is its ability to optimize for specific platforms. It has templates designed specifically for Facebook, Google Ads, and even LinkedIn, making it a great choice for businesses running ad campaigns. However, just like Jasper, its output isn't perfect every time. Sometimes, the copy needs refining to truly capture your voice or suit your brand's tone. Now, let's talk about the integrations. Jasper has more extensive integrations with tools like Surfer SEO, helping you optimize your content for search engines. Conversion.ai, on the other hand, integrates with fewer tools, but does have some niche integrations like copywriting templates that cater specifically to different industries, from real estate to e-commerce. The fourth thing, both tools have user-friendly interfaces, but Jasper has an edge with its easy-to-navigate dashboard and the learning curve being less steep compared to Conversion.ai. Conversion.ai has its own streamlined interface, but it might take a bit longer to get the hang of if you're a beginner. Still, once you understand it, the software runs smoothly. So, which one takes the lead? If you're looking for more specialized copywriting features for long-form content, Jasper's AI editor might be a better fit for you. On the other hand, if your focus is on short-form, high-conversion copy for ads and emails, then Conversion.ai might be the tool you're after. But here's the catch: after trying both, I found a better alternative. If you want a tool that combines the strengths of both Jasper and Conversion.ai without the drawbacks, I highly recommend giving Toolname a try. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial, along with benefits that you won't find anywhere else. It's a great option if you want to take your copywriting game to the next level. So, while both Jasper and Conversion.ai have their strengths, for the specialized features you're looking for, check out the link in the description and start your free trial today. Trust me, you won't regret it.